360 for the first time. We're in Lincoln, just north of Sacramento, and we are staying in this little tiny house. There's my truck, there's Wyatt, there's the pond. So yeah, and we'll just take a walk inside and see what this little beauty looks like. There's the bathroom, my bedroom, and then the highest bedroom up there. And yeah, cool. Cool. Little porch, little seating area, artificial grass, and I have a new Starlink. So I got fast internet on the road and in Mariposa where we had no internet. We're out on a ranch here. Pretty darn cool.